Boo!
Are you out of your mind?
You're carrying a mask. You idiot. What are you doing here? You know that you will fall sick?
I'm carrying my medicines for allergy. By the way, what if I had really fallen down?
That won't happen. I'm your brother. And I'm always there by your side. By the way, if you were so interested in elder brother's construction site, then why did you ask Prabhakar Sinha? You could have asked me as well. Don't you trust me?
Hey, there's nothing of the sort. I thought you must be busy, so...
I mean, Dad has more trust on Mr. Sinha than his son. That's why I asked.
Karthik, there's
Anushka,
nothing of...
I have to leave now for an important deal. Karthik will help you from here on. No. Even I have to leave for some important work. But don't worry. Brother Shrikant is there. He will take care.
Well, sir, can I come along with you?
I'm not sure. I feel I should go alone.
I can come with you till downstairs at
Yeah,
least.
sure. Please come. Come on. Take this. Fine. Okay, Anushka. Bye.
Sir, there are two cars. Who is the one that needs to be killed?
Mom, drink water. Brother,
What happened to him?
Dad met with an accident.
But how?
Dad was returning from office and doctor said that he will get 9 stitches.
We don't even know where he was rushing to.
He was heading for an important meeting. Dad had asked... How is Mr. Sinha now?
His plight is similar to the plight of an Indian soldier.
Please don't say such things. He's fine by God's grace.
Doctor,
Everything is under control. He's getting the stitches.
Can we meet our dad now?
Yes.
I won't be able to see him like this.
Even I was planning to go with him for the meeting. But then he asked me not to come. Otherwise, I too would have been here. You were talking as if it doesn't really matter to you.
One can train his mind how to feel emotions and how not to feel. With whom to keep a relationship and with whom one shouldn't. But the heart reacts just the way it feels like reacting. It decides its relationship with others also. We have no control over it.
What is all this? Tell me,
Well,
who are you guys? Rao?
Mr. Prabhakar,
Rao, what is all this?
you very well know Mr. Reddy. When he knew about your accident, he asked me to hire security guards. Hence, I arranged it.
Well, what will security do in case of an accident? Accident doesn't happen with a warning. That's the nature of it. I don't understand. KK is really...
Purva dear, bring Anushka along.
Sure, Mom.
Listen.
Yes, sweetie. We've just reached home and we've brought Dad home. I'll call you later. Okay.
Brother, please bring Anushka along with you.
But, Purva...
Purva, who were those men outside?
Well,
I think she's more worried about Dad than we are. Thief! Thief, thief, catch her, catch her, catch her! I used to feel that this ladder takes you up. No worries. You showed me today that this can be used to come down too.
Very funny. I went to the washroom and Purva locked me from outside. There's no one at home either.
Well, I'm right here. And what's this habit of using the washroom everywhere you go? Are you marking your territory or what?
Siddhant, you know you are never helpful.
My presence will always make your life easy, Anushka. Just remember that.
A lot of things have changed, right?
but there are many things that haven't changed.
For example, people. Buildings may turn into ruins, but people don't change. They remain just the way they were. Isn't that right, Purva?
Brother, what are you talking about?
Are those fish still here?
No, all of them died. It happened 6 years back.
Don't know what happened one day. Suddenly, they all died.
But how?
We stopped feeding all of them. Why do these fishes look like you?
Very funny.
Okay, fine. They don't look like you. But why does your face look like them? Don't you like your face?
I love my face very much. Why? Don't you like it?
When did I say that?
These fish are always so happy, right? They make people happy when people look at them.
Right. Even to people who eat them. Well, I'm a Brahmin, so don't doubt on me.
Please keep them like this. Happy. Please do it for me. You will do it, right?
तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू